Guys, today I will be sharing a very delicious recipe called creamy lemon crumble bars. For the ingredients, we need half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of semi-packed brown sugar, 1 and 1/4 cup of plain flour, 1 and 1/4 cup of quick cooking oats. You can also use rolled oats. And this is 3/4 cup of melted butter. To begin, we're going to combine the dry ingredients. So combine the flour and the oats. Add the salt and baking soda as well. And finally, add the sugars, the white and the brown sugar. Give this a good mix. Combine the melted butter and the vanilla. Give it a quick mix and then dump the melted butter into the dry ingredients. Again, mix this until it is well combined. Next is we're going to divide the crumble in half. One will be for the bottom and one will be for the top. So now, this is 10 by 10 square pan that I lined with parchment paper. Now, half of the crumble we're going to spread evenly onto the baking pan. My oven is preheated at 170 degrees Celsius and we're going to bake this for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. We'll set this aside. So this is half of the crumble that we set aside. 1/3 cup of lemon juice, 1 can or 395 grams of condensed milk, 2 egg yolks, and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. In a bowl, we're gonna pour in the condensed milk. To this, we're going to add the 1/3 cup of lemon juice. As you can see here, it's thickened up. Then add the 2 egg yolks. And finally, the lemon zest. Now we're going to pour this into the baked base. We'll spread this evenly. We're going to sprinkle the rest of the crumble. Sprinkle it evenly. And then we will bake this in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. And this is what it looks like after baking. Now it is important to let this cool down and then put it in the fridge for about an hour before slicing it. So after about placing this in the fridge for an hour, we're ready to slice the lemon crumble. So you can cut these whatever size you like. I hope you give this a try. It's so easy to make and I can guarantee you that it's so good. It tastes like cheesecake bars, although it doesn't have cream cheese on it. And this is the finished product. If you happen to make this, please share the photos on my Facebook page. And just to show you what it looks like in the middle. Oh, I can guarantee you're gonna love this, so give it a try. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again next week. Bye!